All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to show you guys on how I lace my chucks um, and everything else, just with thin strings or whatever. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So, the trick is we sit here and we go inside. Don't pay attention to that. I know I need to clean them. And we make sure we get them, pull them, make sure they're straight. Boom. All right, now you can let it fall. Now, sit here. Just watch me. Just watch what I'm doing. It's one of these things I really can't explain. You just have to just watch what I'm doing. If you gotta slow it down, slow it down. And now I'm gonna do it the way I do it, then I'm gonna show you another way halfway through the shoe. I'm gonna try to explain it a little bit better. All right, boom, now here comes the trick part. Now we go out. You don't gotta be perfect, but just make sure that's kind of like that. And we going from the inside. Boom. Boom. Now you see what's happening here? All right. This is what I got going on. Okay. And remember, go inside to out. Inside to out. Now, to slow it down for you guys, some people, hey, you're going too fast. Okay. All right. So this is basically the same concept. We got our shoes. If we start from up here, we got our shoes laced from inside to out. All right. Because some people feel better doing it one by one. Boom. Okay. Boom. Cross them. Go in to out. In to out. Now we take and go out to in. Out to in. Cross. Goes back through the hole. In to out. In to out. Time to make the lace part. Out to in. Out to in. And here comes the tricky part when we get up to the top. Because how we going to tie them and how we going to hide the strings? Okay. Anyway, we can keep it going. Boom. Me, I like to lace my chucks all the way to the top. If you don't, I got big feet. And chucks tend to make your feet a little bit bigger, so I'll lace mine all the way to the top. Crazy that sounds like an oxymoron, but it works for me, creates an optical illusion. And now, boom, boom. So this concept, you want to make sure these going in, so when you tie them, you can tuck them behind your tongue or the chucks. To give you a better example, all right, check this out. Don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. Loosen these bad babies up. Loosen these bad babies up. All right. Check this out. If it's too tight, do not be afraid to unloosen it. You're not going to mess up anything. You're not going to mess up anything. Just trust me. Trust me. Voila. Boom. Now, pull. Wow. Look at there. Look at there. Now, you tie them. Tie them however you want to tie them. Boom. Watch this. Watch this. Take that tongue. And put them shoestrings behind there. You can better stuff them if you want, but I'm just showing you guys for the demo real quick. All right. And then this works with shorts. You know, if you don't, you know, boom. It'll lay a little bit more flush. You know, I'm just trying to show you guys on real quick. But you know, tighten over how you want them, boom. And look at there, look at there. Laced up tight. And then of course you can go through and straighten that out, pull a little bit, pull. Whoop. Little camera issue right there, but we're gonna keep it rolling. And that's it. And then boom, you got your Chucks laced up tight, nice and firm, looking stylish and good. And you're hiding the shoestrings all at once. Boom. That's how I lace my Chucks. I'm old school. That's from the 80s. If you people, you know how the game goes, and being where I've been, yeah, that's how we did it in the 80s. All right.